All right, SPACs might now be making a SPAC. Excuse me, I jumped the gun there. SPACs may be making a comeback with the mortgage lender Better and electric vehicle maker VinFast, both debuting this month. But after most of the ones that debuted in the boom of 2021 cratered, some investors are asking why. And that's the focus of today's Tech Check with Deirdre Bosa. Let's start there. Why? Why are SPACs back?
So a few things to note here. Now, as a listing vehicle, SPACs, they won't die, but they do remain as volatile as ever. Look at Better.com. It's 90% plus drop on its debut. And then you had VinFast, 20% surge on its listing. Now, it doesn't make any more sense than it did a few years ago. Secondly, though, some of the SPACs that did come to market a few years ago, they may be getting a second life from some of the investors that see opportunity in the wreckage. Let me explain. I sat down with Imran Khan, who was lead banker on Alibaba's IPO, and he helped bring Snap public as chief strategy officer. He's now running an investment firm, and he sees what he calls valuation arbitrage in the space. He's picked up shares in Dave, Opendoor, and Grab. Those were all SPACs from a few years ago during the rush. And Dave, when it began trading on the NASDAQ after its SPAC merger, it had a market cap of about $3 billion. Today, its market cap is less than $100 million. Khan says, though, that when he looked through its financials, he saw a company with better profile than a Series A or an early-stage startup, but way cheaper in the public markets.
The company has 2 million customers, does around $250 million revenue, and the market cap is $85 million. When I look at the private market valuation and when I look at this public market valuation, I think we're finding great value in public market.
So that's his arbitrage, and he says that he's found that in Opendoor and Grab. The value, though, is there in part, Tyler, because SPACs as an asset class have been such terrible performers over the last few years. They've been so beaten down that they look more like a Series A company than they do, a mature company that went public.
So let me just ask a couple of questions, that one of which will be inflected with an extremely cutting and bitter opinion. A SPAC is basically a quick way for a company to go public, right? Isn't that the whole point of a SPAC?
The whole point of a SPAC is, yes, that's correct, to go quickly, but also for retail investors to be able to get more upside. I mean, that is the whole idea, is if they can go public earlier in their lifetimes, their best growth days are supposed to be ahead of them. So they don't actually have enough financial history to draw on to present to investors, so they make financial projections. And a lot of them turned out not to be true. Now, what Imran Khan says, and he has a lot of experience with traditional IPOs, he says that they're not bad investment vehicles if you leave out those projections. If you use a SPAC to get funding and become public and then are able to be traded, he says then it's actually useful, right? Because there's these sponsors that can act as anchor investors. So that's why you see Better.com listing on public markets, because SoftBank has agreed to give them money by doing so.
But it seems like all that upside, it turns around, they're getting smacked in the backside, the retail investors, right?
Well,
I mean,
a lot of the sponsors took advantage of
that this benefits the financial engineers. Benefits the financial engineers. Here we go again, and that the retail investor gets the short end.
I mean, with so many financial products, the so-called smart money can take advantage, and that's exactly what we saw. I mean, and it's kind of unbelievable. I know, what's been making the round, certainly here in San Francisco, is Chamath Palihapitiya's role in it, right? He brought a number of SPACs public that have done terrible, and he sold out of them shortly after selling them to retail investors. And rather than sort of just taking that win, he has been very vocal on Twitter or X and saying that, you know what, it's your fault. You should have got out when I got. So he's remained defiant.
Yeah.
And that upsets people.
All right, Deirdre, thanks very much. Appreciate it. Thanks for indulging me, as always. Quick programming note, there's still time to sign up for CNBC's Delivering Alpha event on September 28th. I'll probably get booed there based on what I just said. You can register by scanning the QR code on the screen or going to CNBC.com events. We'll leave the QR code up there for another couple of seconds while you get a chance to pull out your phone and take a picture of it and then go and register for Delivering Alpha.